Today we want to introduce the new 93105 Deep Vacuum Isolation Valve Kit. We have inside the user manual, the isolation valve and 3 adapters to connect to different systems. This unit works as an isolation port for the vacuum gauge. On this side we connect the AC system using the included adapters. And then we have one valve for each connection. This is how it is connected. We took out the valve core from the AC system using a valve core remover. Then we connected the deep isolation valve and the vacuum gauge. With the valve we can always isolate the vacuum gauge from the vacuum pump, which can be isolated using the other valve. Here we have the 3/8" vacuum hose connected to the vacuum pump. This way we can always isolate the vacuum gauge, and also increase vacuum speed thanks to the big hose, and the removed valve core.